Then don't worry, I have few solutions using which this issue will be solved. So let's get started. Fix number 1, boot your Mac into safe mode. To do this, first turn off your Mac. Then once it is turned off, click on the power button and immediately press the shift key until the login window appears. Fix number 2, reset PRO. To do this, shut down your Mac and press the power button, and then immediately press Shift plus Command plus P and R together until you see the login window. Fix number 3, make some space in your Mac. It often happens due to the full utilization of storage. Make sure at least 20 GB is freely available. Once you free up space, make sure to restart your Mac. Fix number 4, reset. SMC, shut down your Mac. Press the power button and then quickly press Shift plus Control plus Option together and hold them for 10 seconds. Fix number 5, update your Mac with the latest OS update. Fix number 6, check your MacBook battery count, also known as battery health. When the battery gets old, this problem starts, so if you feel that the battery is old, then replace it else. When you work, make sure your MacBook is connected to a power source. What worked for you? Let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching.